Okay, guys, so all you have to do is to have a Google account, and you can go to the just write the Firebase, open the Firebase, go to the console, right top corner, create a new project. It's We can add new project, or actually how to project. Okay, we created disable Gemini, Google Analytics, everything disabled. We don't need it for it. Okay, unless this is created, we go in our cursor editor, open a new project, blank new project, nothing is here as you see, and we create a new project, generate with Angular, and new how to pro. I forgot generate Angular routing. Yes, CSS. I like the SCSS syntax, but this is optional. You can choose whatever. In this case, I use the SCSS. So this one is created. It will automatically open the project. Okay, first you need to do is to add the app here, and you choose the web app, because we are developing a web application and we want to connect our web app with Firebase. So okay, we add how what how to no, I don't need the hosting for the now. Later on, if we for the next tutorials we can okay. Firebase, you can check it here, the plugin for npm plugin. Regardless of your project, you can choose whatever, but usually, you check which version you need to install to be compatible with your Angular project. In my case, we generated a new project, that's the latest one. So we go here, cd how to project, and we run npm run start. Okay, and you can see here the versions and pick the stable one or whatever you want. So just take it. Here's a readme documentation how you can import and everything. So we do this. Also we need to import the configuration here. Actually, let's copy everything from here so we can add it to our you go to your root and app module, the root component. So I will paste everything just to add it here. Configuration, if you have like more. Okay, we forgot to install the Firebase, but we will do it. Okay, we are missing the Firebase app. Okay, we open the new one. Actually, we can copy this. Okay, and install the Firebase. Can do also delete this. We don't need it. Save it. And wait until the project. Let's run the project. Start and run. What? What did I? How to project? Okay, it's compiled. Doesn't forgot about it. Low skill terminal. It's already there. We open the local host here, and boom, this is the app. We remove this from this app component, everything, and add some simple div that will show this is how to project. Okay, and let's add a bit styling or some, let's add the button, sign up with Google. Okay, and let's do the click here. Okay, sign up with Google. We will need the method here. Okay, now we have a sign up with Google. We import, okay, just sign up with Google, console log Google, let's check if it's there. Yeah, the method is called. Okay, we now need to import those two. So go Google Auth provider and sign in with the pop-up provider, and then we go sign in with the pop-up. Okay, the out we will need here. Okay, this app is from here. We need to export. Okay. Okay. Now we got the out here, and then we can import here the out from the app module, and we handle it here. So we will do this response. Response. Let's just log the console log response and see what happened. Probably some errors gonna happen or some issues will happen. So we open the how to project. We do sign up with Google, and actually one warning, configuration not found, domain global, okay, invalid, and that kind of stuff. So that's correct. We go now in the authentication, get started, ask Gemini. We will use the, for now, Google provider. Enable project ID. This is we generate here. Okay, we added the Google provider here. That's set up. We don't have any users for now. And now when we go here, refresh the page, sign up with Google, and now it works. We choose the account, continue, info message, and we have a provider, Google.com, Firebase accounts, and if we go here and refresh, the new user that's created should appear there, and with the ID and everything. And now with this simple code we did like sign up with Google and really quick sign up process with any application. So basically we finished the integration, guys, with the Google with the Firebase and Angular application, and it's pretty much straightforward and pretty much simple. And yeah, if you like this video, guys, please do some support to me, like subscribe, comment, anything. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.